Hello mariners, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine. This is lecture 5 on boiler burners. In this lecture, we are going to talk about the steam jet type burner. We have previously made two other videos on the rotary curve burner and jet pressure fuel oil burner. So I hope you have already seen those videos. If you have not seen, please go through the video and come here. And also we have discussed boilers, the burner basics. Please see that video also, the link is here. So let's start with today's lecture. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it right now, and please comment करना मत भूलिएगा. Do like and share.
ਕਦੇ ਐਨਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਈਦੀ ਆਈ ਉੱਤੇ ਆ ਗਏ ਜਦੋਂ ਹਿੰਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਛੱਡਣੀ ਹੋ ਬਾਕੀ ਜੋ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੋ ਜਵੇ ਵੀਰੇ ਪਰ ਗਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਢਣੀ
So starting with the steam jet type burner, this burner has the highest turn down ratio. The turn down ratio is the maximum flow rate up to minimum flow rate. The turn down ratio is 20:1. The highest turn down ratio, the reason for the highest turn down ratio is because it is steam assisted. The pressure of the fuel may vary, but there is steam inside the burner which helps in atomizing the fuel. The pressure may soever what be. The construction of this burner is very simple, very robust. There are no moving parts in this. This is cap nut. It is keeping in place. This is called screw on tip. This is barrel. Now talking about the working of the steam jet burner. The steam is coming from the center. I have not drawn the whole burner. The main part is here only. These are just inlets. Steam is coming from here. At the time when we are cold starting the boiler, the steam is not there. So in that time we are using the air. So it has the connection from air. As the steam comes here, we have this convergent divergent nozzles here. The pressure energy of the steam gets converted into the kinetic energy. So the steam comes out from here as the kinetic energy increased of the steam. The fuel is being injected from these two places. The fuel comes here. It enters to these nozzles. As it enters, the steam take away fuel particles and it breaks it into the fine atoms, okay, and atomize the fuel. As they comes out from here, now the one very important thing is, like, the steam that is entering inside the steam jet burner should be completely dry and should be moisture free, as if it has a moisture it would give us very unstable flame. And after we are done with the combustion, the steam is always kept in on position so that the burner tip does not cool down. The fuel may get deposited inside the nozzles, which may lead to choking of these nozzles. Now one more thing the surveyor that can ask you is, what is backfire? The burner starts to leaking because of lack of maintenance, and when the burner is leaking inside our boiler, or when the boiler is not starting and we are giving several starts manually or automatically, so that time also there is accumulation of fuel inside the boiler. So when this fuel catches fire, there is a sudden increase in pressure of the boiler. This sudden increase of pressure inside the boiler is called backfire, which is very dangerous for the boiler, and it should be avoided as much as possible. Thank you friends, this was all about boiler burners. I hope you have enjoyed and got to know something new in this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.
ਕਦੇ ਐਨਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਈਦੀ ਆਈ ਉੱਤੇ ਆ ਗਏ ਜਦੋਂ ਹਿੰਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਛੱਡਣੀ ਹੋ ਬਾਕੀ ਜੋ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੋ ਜਵੇ ਵੀਰੇ ਪਰ ਗਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਢਣੀ